Namaskara. I'm Sri Vidya Nagaraju.
I'm Indu Aradhya.
This is Navratri time, and we have been talking about divine feminine and women of Shakti. Today, we would be talking about another Rishika and know more about somebody who had the feminine power to inspire all of us. Shrivi, who are we getting to know today?
Today, Bhagavati Anusuya,
Okay.
right? That she's Rishi Atri's wife. We would have heard Anusuya.
Absolutely.
For
Yes.
me, she is she demonstrate both intelligence and smartness with the wisdom.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Okay, so let me share where she's demonstrated.
Okay.
So there was time she's known to be very powerful and pativrata and lot of things. So Brahma, Vishnu, Maheshwara and the wives of them, the Lakshmi, Saraswati, Parvati says, "Oh, is she so powerful that no, we need to check that out." Generally they become curious also to check it out. So okay, so this Brahma, Vishnu, Maheshwara comes to their ashram in form of 3 Brahmins. Okay, and they say they bring some hard stuff, ಕಬ್ಬಿಣದ ಕಡಲೆ ಅಂತಾರೆ. Okay.
Okay.
That
Iron do
dal.
Dal. Okay.
Okay. ಅದನ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು, can you cook this for us? But
How can you cook iron? Yeah.
correct. But she was so powerful.
Oh, yes.
Okay, so she kind of, see, those it symbolically shows as a mantra japa, but it shows the power, the confidence within. Right? So she actually cooks. And when she is ready to serve, they put a very, very unique condition. Okay, they say you have to serve as naked.
Okay.
Okay, and then she says, sure, Atiti Devo Bhava, we have to serve. And she says, she goes in and she prays. What she does, she makes this Brahma, Vishnu, Maheshwara into little babies. Okay, a mother in front of little babies, there's no issues.
Right.
So she's so smart and intelligent. So to how to deal with the situation rather than sulking, generally, oh, how can somebody ask like this? How can I do? That we sulk. She didn't say, that's what you want. I have a way
challenge.
out. I have a way out. So that's what she does. And then she actually feeds them. Then they have become little babies now. So the wife starts getting worried and say, how, we want our husbands back. So they actually come and, thank her and appreciate her and say, we want our husbands back. I said, what can I do now? Just keep one ಅಂಶ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ದೇವ್ರದ್ದು, ಹಂಗೆ ಕಳಿಸಿ. ಸೊ ಆ ವಂಶ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು one baby gets merged into one with the little amsha of all of them, all the 3 of them. And the Atriya Maga, he becomes Atreya.
Okay.
And because they are kids of this, so these ladies will give that baby to adopt to Anasuya.
Okay.
So that's why Atreya, but Dattu togondu adopt agidna, that becomes Dattatreya.
Dattatreya. Oh, okay.
So Anasuya is mother of Dattatreya.
Okay. Oh, this is something very, very powerfully motivating, for the reason that she was given challenges which was very difficult, and it wasn't like she had time to think or prepare for it. It was on the go, and she had to immediately measure up to the challenges that came. And that sure was some wisdom, isn't it?
Absolutely.
Deepest.
Deep sadhana also.
Okay.
So she is Shakti.
Shakti, yes. Women, another woman of Shakti. It's been wonderful. Namaskara.